How to create a group on Fiverr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a group on Fiverr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Fiverr. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then, after you're here, tap on the pen icon that is on the top right corner. After you tap on it, there you will get an option to create a new group. So tap on new group or community and simply select the people that you want to add in the group. You can search for people as well. After you tap on the next on the top right, you can then name the group. So I'll just name it test and then tap on done. There you can see the group rules. You can add up to 250 members and stuff like that. After that, tap on done on the top right and the group will be created, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.